In this day and age, you have to be aggressive, you have to go out and try to continue to improve.
We have to be continual learners, and AME is a pathway for continual learning.
What I love about AME is that focus on excellence. AME leads the way. I am very excited about the AME conference coming in Chicago in 2019. This is a curious crowd who wants to get into deep conversations about meaningful topics.
The strength of this conference being leading on the edge, it's focusing on the leadership on down to the shop floor.
We're building a team of 12,000 problem solvers. That theme is consistent with what we're trying to do.
What I hope to do in my talk is inspire people on their own journey to joy.
The biggest thing with our lean journey has been the engagement of our employees. It's done through the same systems that you'll hear from other manufacturers at the AME conference.
Operational excellence is more than just process improvement. We team with other members of the organization to create a culture of excellence here at the University of Chicago Medicine.
If anybody's looking to get into lean or already in lean, meet other people. You're not the only one doing this. It's been going on for years. It's got a highly successful track record.
See you in Chicago.